finished till the profile set. We wanted to assign the target group.
So did you open the could you talk loudly please? Because I increased almost 100.
Yeah, can you hear me, Raj? No? Better?
Hello?
Yeah, is it better?
Yes.
Okay. Yesterday if we finished till the profile set. We created the data.
You open the UI?
Yeah, I opened the web UI.
I'm making. Okay.
Do you want to try or?
So I made you presenter.
If you made me presenter, what happens? My screen is very small. I don't know why. Is there something that? Can you see my complete screen?
No. So log on marketing or something, Apple or your market.
So the transaction code is SOST. So once you click on it, you can highlight anything and click on the spectacles where you can see what information is going out to the recipient. So if you remember, we had earlier just given selected first name and last name, and then we had selected the URL. So you see the whole thing has come up here. Yeah. And if I just go back, what we have done earlier, just go with this. So we are in the campaign. Now you can see this button, the start button is available, or we can click on it. Earlier it was grayed. The reason it was grayed out was because when you go to this, it has to be approved and released right from the root to the child. So once that is done, then this start button gets highlighted. So here you can see the current status is released and approved. Earlier it was only waiting. So when you first change it to approved and then change it to release, likewise you go on to the next tab, and that is Honda marketing plan, and then do the same exercise of approved and release, and likewise you move on to your marketing elements, and then the next product launch element and the email campaign. And once you've done that, the start button is highlighted. Then you can start the campaign. Once you start it, so once you start, yeah. So once you start it, then you can check in your GUI. It'll ask you whether it is you want it to start immediately, periodically, or maybe later. So you say immediately, and then you run the batch, and the emails are sent out that you can see in your GUI. So the transaction again is SOST, and if you go on to SOST, you get into the screen. You can check by looking at the release date. Yeah, it takes some time to to synchronize. So here, this is what we expect. This is our campaign. This is, and we have a target group of 6, and the emails are sent out with the first name and last name with our URL, and from this, and all the information of the campaign is in here. So tomorrow it's going to be external list management. That is, when a company buys a database of say maybe 1 million customers externally, how do they access it and send out emails or select the target group.